What's up guys, and welcome to the brand new video. And today we're gonna talk about how to create calculator in Python programming language in the terminal. And let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna start with def. I'm gonna define add and put the x and y into the bracket and get into that and return it like x plus y. And for subtraction also I'm gonna do like this: def subtract xy and return x minus y. And do again for multiplication, multiply xy, and I'm gonna return this x into y. So that I want to do for division also: divide xy and return this program and go for forward slash is using for divide symbol, so x slash y, and that's it. And now I want to do print called like select the operation, right? And select the operation and print add like this. I'm gonna do like this, and after this I'm gonna do for subtraction also subtract and print here for third item multiply. Same should be capital, you can put like anything, and print the fourth one is divide, right? That's it. And that's it. And I'm gonna go and put the while statement, while true, the choice is equal to input is the question, and enter choice 1, 2, 3 and 4 like this. If choice in, like, I want to put like 1 I can put like this 1 and 2, I want to do for 2 and 3 and also for 4, and that's it. And here put this one and go with num1 is equal to the float is a decimal number that want to be an output, and get the input called enter the first number. That's it. And num2, that's also the float, and here you're gonna put input and enter the second number. That's it. So if I'm gonna go back down, if choice is equivalent to equivalent 1, right? 1, you're gonna print like num1 and put the comma and plus and put the comma, and num2, print the num2 and put the comma, and you're gonna print the equal sign. And I just want to get the answer like add num1 and num2. That's it. So I'm gonna go with elif statement. This is for subtraction. So you can see the elif is came, and I'm gonna go elif choice is equal to and print num1 and minus symbol and num2 and the equal symbol, and put like add num1, no, subtract I want to put like subtract, and here also I'm gonna put subtract and subtract and num1 comma and num2. That's it. And another elif statement for multiply, and choice is equivalent to equivalent 3. What you're gonna do is print num1 and the multiply symbol or this symbol, and whatever you can put it. And so I'll put this because this is a computer language. Maybe we can put like this. That's not a problem. And you're gonna do like num2 and comma and put the equal sign and comma multiply the num1 and num2, right? That's it. And for I want to do for also the divide, elif choice is equal 4. I'm gonna print like this, print num1 and divide symbol and num2 and the equal symbol and divide num1 and num2. This is so easy. And you want to break this, so I'm gonna put like break and else print like invalid value, and that's it. And let's go to the running section. Yes, I'm opening the terminal. I'm gonna test adding for first time, so hit enter 1, and the first number is 24, the second number is 34, and 58. This is the correct answer. And let's go with the decimal number also, and go for addition. 2.6, and the second number is 3.6, and yeah, we are getting the 6.2. This is the correct answer. And run again for the subtraction module. I'm gonna go for subtraction. First number is 20 and another thing is 2.5, and I'm getting 17.5. This is the correct answer. And I'm gonna run again for multiplication. 30 multiply with 4 and 120, correct. And for division, I'm gonna add 4, and the first number is 300 divided by 4 and 75 is a correct answer. And I want to test the invalid value also. I'm hit entering like 8 or 9, so I'm gonna put 6 and yes, invalid value, and go again. So this is the calculated programming in Python. So thank you for watching this video. Catch you guys in the next one. See you.